mom shows up just in time for cake. Stacey's delivering goodies and dropping them all over the ground.
Your fault.
Everything in life is my fault. Once you realize that, life is good for you. Everybody's eating their cake and having their coffee.
Will you just be quiet?
Michelle and Bridget.
Right here, I'll take that. You're all done?
Michelle made so I often like Rachel's like, oh yeah, her was in the house like with the chocolate.
Maybe that's your problem. You need to video her, and then she'll actually go.